Good afternoon, it's Roger Gilbert from Milling and Grain magazine, and I'm here at JTIC in Lille, France. It's the second day of their conference, which has a small exposition on the side, and I'm on the stand of InUse. It's a startup company that's exhibiting for the first time, and I'm talking to Arthur Cohen, who is helping to develop, he's the marketing manager, helping to develop a very sophisticated internet product that may have application in the milling industry. Arthur, could you tell us a little bit about the product, please?
Hi, thank you, Roger. Nice to meet you. Let me introduce InUse. InUse is a software provider dedicated to the industrial IoT, Internet of Things. In a few words, what we do is that we make machines talk. We give the ability to the machines to give recommendations in real time to the operators, technicians and managers in the factory in order to improve the performance of the production plants. And we work on three kind of the main use cases we work on are the operational excellence. We help manufacturers in optimizing their performance thanks to IoT. We are also working on maintenance to shift from reactive to proactive maintenance and almost to predictive maintenance as well. And we help also manufacturers to improve the quality of the process of the production processes.
Okay, and how does this have applications, say, for the milling sector?
We can help, we were working mainly with the companies which are in the transformation parts, okay, which are using the raw or semi-finished material and transforming them into finalized products, and we can help them into the three kind of use cases I just explained just before.
Okay, and when you say the machines can talk, is that verbal or is that in text form?
What we can see maybe onto the application is that basically it's organized as a social network. We gather in the same environment both the production workforce from the factory with the machines that delivers concrete recommendations into a newsfeed like this to help all the people from the factory to act more efficiently in a more efficient way on a daily basis. We also provide data visualization, which can be very be helpful to analyze what is really going on in the factory in a very factual way, and also we provide some KPIs which are important also to analyze the performance of the factory. For instance, here we are analyzing the changeover optimization, which is a very important stake in the food and beverage industry, in order to optimize the time allocated to the different changeovers that are made between different kind of products.
Okay.
And if they can optimize this, it's very a very good level of performance.
And I understand you have a little test bed here that demonstrates how an alarm, for instance, is reported to the operator.
Yes, exactly. What we try to illustrate here in this event is how we, from the data collection, how we collect the data and we go until the application, and how is made the connection between this and what's happening in the application, because as you can imagine, to do that you need to connect and collect the data, to connect the machines and collect the data. So it's important also to explain this to the manufacturers which are coming to this event.
And how have you found the response of millers to this technology?
I think they are more and more open to this kind of technology. I would say the manufacturing industry is not maybe the most advanced in terms of new technologies, but I see a growing maturity looking at these technologies, looking at IoT and artificial intelligence. And now, that's why now we are working with manufacturers. Today our application is live in more than 75 factories worldwide, and we analyze the data from more than 1,500 objects on a daily basis.
So as a startup in France, are you having success here as well?
Which we are trying to. We had some good contacts on the 2 days, and I hope it will be transformed into concrete projects after.
Okay, Arthur, thank you very much for your time, and good luck with your product here.
Thank you.